Back to the practice test. We were doing number 8, and it's got parts C and D. Start with letter C here. We're solving for x. Don't know what to do, so we need to change it to an exponent. But we can't change it to an exponent because of that 5. There can be nothing in front of the word log. What can we do with the 5? You can move it up here and make it an exponent, or you could divide it to the other side. Usually when you have those two choices, you would divide to the other side. But not always, but usually. So this is going to be ln 3 minus x equals 4. Move the 5 over, divide by 5. Now let's change to an exponent. What's our base? There is no base, so we assume not 10, it's ln, so it's e. If you want to write the e, you can. So it's e to the, go over the equal sign, e to the 4/5 equals, go back, and we're left with 3 minus x. We want x, but it's negative, so let's move the x over here, make it positive. Leave the 3 and bring that e over here. Now, if you want to, that's called the exact answer. If you do this on your calculator, you get a whole lot of decimals and just round it off to like 2 places or 3 places. The answer would be 0.774. Okay, letter D. Oh, we have 2 logs, and they're base 2. Can I drop the logs off? No. There's got to be an equal sign between them. There's no equal sign, so you cannot drop the logs. But what can you do with them? You can combine them into 1 log. They're both base 2. They have to be the same base, and they will be. All right, so I'm combining this log with this log, and it's a plus sign. So how do you combine them when it's a plus? You multiply them. So that's going to be x plus 2 times x minus 1. So instead of 2 logs, now we have 1 log. But we're going to have to FOIL that. That's a 2 there. When you FOIL it, you're going to get x squared minus x plus 2x will be plus x. 2 times 1 is negative 2. Well, that's about as far as we can go there. I don't know what the answer is. So what do? We change it to an exponent. What's our base? Well, all we got a lot are 2's here. But this 2 is our base. Raised to the, go over the equal sign, 2. Equals, come back. The only thing left is that trinomial, x squared plus x minus 2. What's 2 squared? 4. Subtract the 4. Minus 4 would be a minus 6. And that's pretty simple. 2 times 3. The signs are different, and the bigger one's positive. And your 2 answers are 2 and negative 3. Now, whenever you get a negative answer with logs, you should check it, because usually they will not check. If we put a 2 in here, that's going to be 2 plus 2 is 4. You can take, sorry, put it up here. That'd be 2 plus 2 is 4. You can take the log of 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. You can take the log of 1. Put a negative 3. Negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. You cannot take the log of a negative. So, cross off that answer. I better see that answer on the paper, but it's crossed off. All right.